Starting around 13 January 2024, Ethereum sort of is exchanging at $2,547.40 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.48% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which is very huge. ETH for the most part has a truly all-out market cap of $306,149,091,868, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,863,601,952 in a genuinely huge manner. This makes Ethereum, ETH, especially positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum truly be by and large worth in 2024, which in a real sense is very critical. Is Ethereum a wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking? Will ETH cost basically outperform its untouched high, which basically is genuinely critical? These for the most part are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which really is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH value expectation 2024, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the ETH cost explicitly is supposed to commonly cross a by and large normal value level of $3,736.64, the normal genuinely least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to generally be $3,634.78 in an especially huge manner. Besides, ETH can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $4,421.22 in an especially enormous manner. Ethereum value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the most extreme cost for Ethereum could by and large stretch around $2,750.38, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in January 2024 explicitly is $2,419.31, with a very normal cost of $2,673.98 in a truly significant manner. Ethereum value conjecture February 2024, the sort of normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could in a real sense go to $2,780.94 toward the finish of February 2024, which in every way that really matters is very critical. ETH could truly be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $2,884.08, with the truly least expected cost of $2,679.07, which sort of is very critical. ETH value conjecture Walk 2024. The Ethereum estimate for Walk 2024 expects that the ETH may basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $3,023.12, with an in every practical sense, least cost of around $2,734.69, which truly is very huge. Discussing the fundamentally normal value, ETH can basically stretch around $2,836.56 for spring, or so they in a real sense thought. ETH value gauge April 2024. The Ethereum figure for April 2024 expects that the ETH may essentially arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $3,136.59, with an extremely least cost of around $2,848.15, which fundamentally is very huge. Discussing the fundamentally normal value, ETH can really stretch around $2,950.02 for April, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH value expectation May 2024. The cost for Ethereum in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $2,936.65 and $3,284.09 in an unpretentious manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $3,038.52, which truly is genuinely huge. Ethereum, ETH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Ethereum in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $3,027.81 and $3,436.01, which explicitly shows that while the typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $3,038.52, which certainly is genuinely huge. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $3,129.67 in every practical sense, enormous way. Ethereum value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Ethereum generally is supposed to really be at around a very least of $3,153, which in every practical sense Shows that Ethereum value conjecture February 2024, the truly normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could go to $2,780.94 toward the finish of February 2024 in an especially significant manner. Ethereum cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially limit of $3,592.50, with the exceptionally normal cost of $3,254.86 in United States dollars, exhibiting how ETH, all things considered, has an in every way that really matters complete market cap of $306,149,091,868, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,863,601,952 in a for the most part significant manner. Ethereum, ETH, value estimate August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Ethereum in every practical sense is anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $3,352.51, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $3,755.24 and an essentially least of $3,250.64, amazingly. Ethereum, ETH, value gauge September 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for September 2024 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $3,325.75, while the greatest estimated cost generally is around $3,889.34, which really is very huge. The exceptionally normal cost for ETH basically is anticipated to, in a real sense, reach $3,453.08 in September 2024, which for the most part is very huge. ETH value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Ethereum sort of is gauged to generally be at around a very least worth of $3,429.34 in an in every practical sense, large way. The Ethereum value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of $4,061.99, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $3,556.68 in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value gauge November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Ethereum generally is really anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $3,627.81, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $4,239.83 and an exceptionally least of $3,525.94, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value expectation December 2024. The cost of Ethereum especially is in a real sense anticipated to reach at least worth of $3,634.78 in December 2024.